When working in CellBIM, it is important to understand what a quantity actually represents. Not all quantities are created equal when 3D models are used for QTO purposes. The difference between gross, net, and filtered quantities is not technical detail. It directly affects cost accuracy. Let's look briefly at the three types of quantities displayed in a 3D model. First up is gross quantities. Gross quantities represent the total size of an element, with nothing taken away. Think of this as the model in its raw form. For example, a gross wall area includes both faces of the wall and does not subtract doors or windows. In CellBIM, gross quantities usually come straight from the element's full geometry before any filtering or deductions are applied. Gross quantities are useful for early checks, scale validation, and understanding overall scope. Next is net quantities. Net quantities represent what you can actually measure and price. This is where openings, voids, and deductions are accounted for. Using the same wall example, the net area excludes doors and windows, giving you the true finish area. In CellBIM, this is typically captured through face area or net volume fields. Net quantities are what most estimators rely on for detailed takeoff and pricing. Finally, the filtered quantities. Filtered quantities are not a different type of measurement. They are a way of viewing quantities in context. Here, you apply filters to isolate exactly what you want to measure. You might filter by level to measure only walls on level 2, or by material to isolate reinforced concrete columns, or by category to separate structure from finishes. CellBIM uses Excel filters and model selection filters to refine quantities dynamically, without remeasuring anything. This is how one set of model data can support multiple views, reports, and cost breakdowns. So why does this matter? Understanding whether you are looking at gross, net, or filtered quantities keeps you in control of your numbers.